welcome back to my channel. This is Priya. Hope you all are doing well, staying safe and healthy through these unusual times. In today's video, I'll be sharing another nameplate DIY idea. So let's get started. For the material details, please check the description box below. I have also provided the link of the product that I'll be using for this project, so you can check out from there. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my work, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Taking a 6-inch round MDF board. Now drawing a rough sketch of Ganesha. Now we will start with the clay part using Fevicryl Mouldit, or you can use any other air dry clay. I have already mixed the clay. Now I will take a little amount of clay and make a round ball out of it. Then flatten it using fingertips to give round shape. Applying glue to stick it. Now take some more clay and make a ball out of it. Then press and roll one corner like this to make a cone shape. Repeat the same procedure for the other one. Press and roll one corner like this to give cone shape. Using a moulding tool to give texture. clay strip on the edges. And creating texture using Moulding Tool. Drawing some traditional motifs. Placing clay strip following the same design. Applying gesso as a base coat. Once the base coat has dried, apply orange color. Now, applying golden yellow. Applying light green color on the dhoti. Applying pearl metallic bronze. applying some dots using 3D outliner. Once the color dries out completely, apply varnish to protect your artwork. I have already created a nameplate and kept it ready. Now I'll just attach the round board with Ganesh ji with that. I have created a detailed tutorial on how to make nameplate like this. Click on the link in the top right corner to watch that video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.